so tired. I need a drink of water. Guys, I'm so hot. I just had a little 5-minute break. Went to get some water. I can't do anymore. I'm like sweating on my face. Not the prettiest, but my pores are crying. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog with my sister girl Molly and Sia. We're going to get a pedi. We're having a girls' day out. Thank you.
Because Sia didn't get to go back to New Zealand.
No, don't tell them that. That's shame. Sia has spent the week in New Zealand.
Say hi to the New Zealand,
and then you know what's funny? You know what's funny? Her parents told her come back and drop this thing off, and then you can go back. Hey, I believe she's still here.
You know how far people do.
So we're here doing our nails now, and and I'm not going to show you our toes because you know they're stuck nails. And this is his first time. Why Jandals on? This is his first time getting a pedi. Isn't this better than New Zealand? Molly wants to show her beautiful toes. Her ET feet.
Show me.
No.
Show me.
No.
Show me.
No. Oh, okay. We're gonna go to the movies after this.
Show me the camera.
Complimentary of Molly.
Not for you.
Oi. Kalau fasyo uso dero wala ay lalo yini se vai. Afi la monga se lo ko lo fa ia. La foma isanga li mas Just kidding, guys. She's got shoes, but we just got our nails did and she can't put them on.
My car!
Get on there now!
Come on!
I'm gonna battle Sia in this dance thing. Bring it on, sister! So we're here at Russians, you know what I'm saying? We met up with Mama Bear over here. Got Sia, Lissy, Sia. Oh, Sia! Hey! And I called Ossie, he's on his way here. He's gonna come and eat. I don't know where he is, so I'm looking out for him. My phone is dead. And I ordered him some food. This is so funny. I'm walking past people and doing this. It's a lugu and it makes farting sounds. Part of my prank for Ossie, but every time I walk past people, I press it. I'm like, oh, excuse you. Your girl Molly is getting Gucci. She has expensive taste.
She's quite nice as well, so just hit her up.
Really?
Oh, this is the last one.
Oh my gosh. This guy was full bending down and Sia just fully walked past with this thing. He fully, I'm about to do a real one right now. We're so childish. Oh my god, this is so childish.
We're about to do a real one?
We're so immature.
First of all, why do we even have slime?
I love slime. Guys. Oh, that's a gassy one.
Went on time.
What is this say, Oliver? Shut up! Oh my god! I can't sweaty and so red from laughing.
Why are we stuck in the corner of her?
Go and ask the lady how much the nail things are and go with the thing.
And put it next to her. Yeah, I know.
Okay guys, so we just got back from cricket and I want to tell you guys something. So you know how we invested in a portable aircon on 3 weeks ago? Well, last night, well yesterday afternoon actually, that one went kaput. It died on us and we bought it secondhand, and I don't know whether to believe it was like that and that's why the person sold it, or something happened and we just can't fix it. So to give him benefit of the doubt, I'm gonna go with something happened, we can't fix it. And I begged Aussie all day today to let us buy a another portable one, brand new this time, and he finally gave in to me because he kept saying no, 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 no. And I was like, I can't live. Honestly, I was literally thinking of booking a hotel. Aussie and I had to drive around Canberra for like 1 hour to cool down in our car aircon. It was so hot. It was like 30 degrees all night last night. And I was like lying on the floor. I had a cold shower, like freezing cold shower. Came out and I just got hot again. And I was like, I can't do this. Like, we have to go for a drive. So my dear husband, my zaddy, agreed that we could get one. And I'm so happy. We got a brand new DeLonghi one. A DeLonghi, I think it is. And it's big. It's like so big. It's already like cooling up the house right now. I'm gonna show you. Give you a closer look. So it's pretty big and it looks prettier than the other one. Not that that's anything. And like even the window sill looks clean. Hey, it looks so nice. Nice and clean. I just love it so much. Aww. Thank you, Zaddy.
I'll tell you guys, we can eat more lettuce.
Yeah, so Aussie was really hesitant because we just bought a lounge. Now we just bought this and it was like not cheap. These things aren't cheap. This one was actually $1,000 and I'm just so grateful that Aussie finally agreed to, because obviously I wasn't going to get it if he didn't agree. But you know how we women are. We are the necks, they are the head, so we can turn the head wherever we want. So I'm having this, guys. I've been eating so well. Are you guys proud of me? I know Aussie is so proud of me. Aussie, are you so proud of me?
I'm so.
Pass me your fork. Hey guys. It's the next day from the vlog yesterday and Aussie and I are getting ready to go to church. I need to start putting foundation on my face because I just feel like my color is like changing around my area of my face. Look at Aussie looking drip, drip, drippy.
Drippy, drip, drip, drip.
So Aussie put my water bottle in the fridge. It's all... I edited a prank and I uploaded it and then I got a copyright notice, so I have to take it back down. It's the snake prank, which you guys would have already seen. I'm going to come back after church, edit it, put in some gaps, upload it again and see if it's still there. If not, I don't know if we're going to upload it. It's like 3 minutes long. The strike notice goes for 3 minutes. It's like, really? Also, if you were going to do a prank, you should have knew and turned off music. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I have like a thing about slime. I've got like, I make slime myself. I buy slime. It's just, I love it so much. We'll be back, guys. Almost forgot the most important part of, oh wait. Look at all these boxes. That big massive box is from the new aircon. This is our old aircon. And all those other boxes are from moving in, which we haven't gotten rid of. We finished church about 2 hours ago, thereabouts. And I came home and I cooked something quickly. So just some green beans, capsicum and some chicken. I got your girl Delzy here. And Evan.
Yeah guys, so we're having a breakfast today. This morning, first day of the new year. So bacon and egg and pancakes. Ham and bacon and eggs.
Pancake, babe.
Ham and eggs. Ham and eggs. This one is not a pancake. And the bacon.
Oh, this is an omelette.
Yeah, this is omelette.
See?
See guys? This is the omelette. And this is bacon. Yeah, we're having a breakfast today, this morning, for that one. So, hope you guys have a good one. And enjoy your new year. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. We love you guys so much. Happy New Year, guys. Peace.
Stable is a boy, stable in the world, yeah,